السلام علیکم، میں ہوں وسیم عباسی تہران سے۔ تہران کی کارپیٹس پوری دنیا میں مشہور ہیں، بلکہ ایران کی کارپیٹس پوری دنیا میں مشہور ہیں۔ آج ہم ایران کے ایک تاجر کے ساتھ موجود ہیں جو بتائیں گے کہ ایرانی کارپیٹس کیوں دنیا بھر میں مشہور ہیں۔ فرسٹ آف آل، وائی ایرانی کارپیٹس آر famous all over the world?
Hi. If you want to know that why Iranian carpets are the best carpet in the world, you must to see the designs, the materials, all about quality in materials, quality in weaving, quality in designs.
And why they are so expensive?
We have a lot of carpet with a lot of price. Some carpets are expensive because of their materials and designs. For example, some of carpets are full silk, and silk is expensive.
All carpets are handmade?
Yes. All of them that we have here are handmade and Iranian carpets. Some of them are Tabriz carpet, Qom carpet, Kashan, Kerman, and another city of Iran that making carpets and weaving carpet.
Do you think the carpet industry is still thriving in Iran?
In many years in the story, we can see that Iranian carpet get better, designs get better, and the quality get higher than before. And this will be continue.
And the market and demand for these carpets is increasing or decreasing?
You know that Iranian carpets are so famous in the world, in all of the world, in Europe, in America, in the East. Wherever you go, if you say Iranian carpet, many of people know that what's this.
It's a profitable business?
If it's not good, so what I do here?